Hi, we are Andy and Rich, and welcome to our channel, Remembrance of the Past, where we will be visiting churches, war graves, pillboxes and bunkers.
We are in Clay Cross Cemetery, Clay Cross. 21576, Guardsman Fred TURVEY, Grenadier Guards, died 18th of January 1920, aged 26. 128303, Pioneer Harry College, Royal Engineers, died 16th of May 1921, aged 47. (4911-302), Private William Smith, the Cheshire Regiment, died 12th of March 1941, aged 32. (46910), Driver A. Hill, Royal Field Artillery, died 19th of November 1918. 144336, Second Private George Howard, Royal Air Force, died 13th of November 1918, aged 24. G/29158, Private William Henry Harrison, East Kent Regiment, The Buffs, 4th of October 1918, aged 19. (3408), Private J. H. Rowley, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 3rd of March 1918, aged 29. 425307, Private John Herbert Shardlow, 45th Battalion Canadian Infantry, died 3rd of February 1917, aged 45.
John Shardlow joined into 45th Battalion Canadian Expeditionary Force and embarked from Halifax on S.S. Bailey, disembarked in England and taken to Caesar's Camp, Canadian Army at Folkestone. While at this camp he was promoted to Lance Corporal. He was transferred to the 11th Battalion at St. Martin Plain, Shorncliffe, and attached to 11th Battalion, reverting to rank of private. He went sick at Shorncliffe and was admitted into Moore Barracks Hospital, where he would later die of pneumonia.
2854, Private J. Clarke, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 24th of November 1920, aged 40. 374, Private Albert Heath, died 17th of August 1917.
Albert Heath was born in Clay Cross. He enlisted into the 2nd Volunteer Battalion Sherwood Foresters and re-enlisted into the 6th Battalion Notts and Derby Regiment. Contracted sugar diabetes, which at the time was not deemed the result of service. Albert was discharged on termination of engagement, having served 8 years and 7 days with the colours.
(241792), Private George College, died 14th of September 1919, aged 27. 838341, Bombardier Cyril Sanderson, Royal Artillery, died 27th of June 1943, aged 31. 2127277, Sapper Harry Bowler, Royal Engineers, died 29th of March 1945. 204591, Private A. Walters, Notts and Derby Regiment, died 29th of August 1917. Also found Private G.E. Barlow, killed in action September 6, 1918, aged 27. Also found Reginald Arthur Buckland, killed on active service 22nd of June 1915, aged 19. Also found W. ELLIOT, 2nd 6th Sherwood Foresters, killed in the Great War, April 29, 1917, aged 21.